War robots are autonomous or remote-controlled machines designed for military purposes. They are used in various military operations, including reconnaissance, surveillance, combat, and bomb disposal. Now, before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel and like this video. Here we go! War robots can be equipped with various weapons and sensors to perform specific tasks on the battlefield. They are often used to minimize human casualties and gather critical information in dangerous or inaccessible areas. War robots, also known as military robots or unmanned ground vehicles, UGVs, are autonomous or remote-controlled machines designed for military purposes. These advanced technological marvels have revolutionized modern warfare by providing new capabilities and reducing the risks faced by human soldiers on the battlefield. The concept of war robots dates back to ancient times, with early examples including siege towers and war elephants. However, it is in recent decades that significant advancements in robotics, artificial intelligence, and sensor technologies have enabled the development of highly sophisticated and versatile war robots. War robots come in various shapes and sizes, each designed to perform specific tasks on the battlefield. They can be categorized into several types based on their functionality and purpose. These include reconnaissance robots, combat robots, bomb disposal robots, logistics robots, and medical robots. Reconnaissance robots. Reconnaissance robots are used to gather critical information about enemy positions, terrain, and potential threats. Equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and communication systems, these robots can navigate through challenging environments and transmit real-time data to military personnel. They play a crucial role in providing situational awareness and reducing the risks faced by human soldiers on reconnaissance missions. Combat robots. Combat robots are designed for offensive and defensive operations. They can be armed with various weapons, such as machine guns, grenade launchers, or even anti-tank missiles. These robots are capable of engaging enemy forces, providing suppressive fire, and neutralizing threats without risking human lives. Military personnel have the option of controlling them remotely or independently. Bomb disposal robots. Bomb disposal robots are specifically designed to handle explosive devices safely. These robots are equipped with specialized tools, cameras, and manipulator arms to locate, inspect, and disarm improvised explosive devices, IEDs, or other dangerous explosives. Bomb disposal robots play a crucial role in protecting military personnel and civilians from the threat of explosive devices. Logistics robots. Logistics robots are used to transport supplies, ammunition, and equipment on the battlefield. These robots can navigate through rough terrain, carry heavy loads, and autonomously deliver supplies to troops in need. By reducing the reliance on human soldiers for logistical tasks, logistics robots free up manpower for more critical missions and improve overall operational efficiency. Medical robots. Medical robots are designed to provide medical assistance and support to injured soldiers on the battlefield. These robots can perform tasks such as triage, wound treatment, and even surgical procedures. Equipped with advanced medical equipment and AI algorithms, medical robots can provide immediate care and stabilize injured soldiers before they can be evacuated to proper medical facilities. The development and deployment of war robots have several advantages and challenges. One of the primary advantages is the ability to minimize human casualties. By replacing or assisting human soldiers in dangerous tasks, war robots reduce the risks faced by military personnel on the battlefield. This not only saves lives, but also allows for more effective and efficient military operations. War robots also provide enhanced capabilities and performance compared to human soldiers. They can operate in extreme environments, withstand harsh conditions, and perform repetitive tasks without fatigue. Additionally, war robots can process vast amounts of data and make decisions in real time, leveraging AI algorithms and sensor technologies. This enables faster and more accurate responses to changing battlefield conditions. However, the deployment of war robots also raises ethical and legal concerns. The use of autonomous robots in combat raises questions about accountability and the potential for unintended consequences. There are ongoing debates about the ethical implications of allowing machines to make life or death decisions without human intervention. Additionally, there are concerns about the potential for misuse or hacking of war robots, leading to unintended harm or the escalation of conflicts. To address these concerns, international laws and regulations are being developed to govern the use of war robots. The United Nations Convention on Certain Conventional Weapons, CTCAW, has established a framework for discussing and regulating autonomous weapon systems. It aims to ensure that the use of war robots complies with international humanitarian law and respects human rights. War robots offer enhanced capabilities compared to human soldiers. They can operate in extreme conditions, withstand harsh environments, and perform repetitive tasks without fatigue. Additionally, war robots can process vast amounts of data and make decisions in real time, leveraging AI algorithms and sensor technologies. This enables faster and more accurate responses to changing battlefield conditions. War robots are not only used for combat purposes, but also for humanitarian assistance and disaster response. These machines can be deployed in areas affected by natural disasters or conflicts to provide aid, deliver supplies, and assist in search and rescue operations. Their versatility and adaptability make them valuable assets in addressing humanitarian crises. The use of war robots raises ethical and legal concerns. There are ongoing debates about the ethical implications of allowing machines to make life or death decisions without human intervention. Additionally, there are concerns about the potential for misuse or hacking of war robots, leading to unintended harm or the escalation of conflicts. International laws and regulations are being developed to govern the use of war robots and ensure their responsible and ethical use in armed conflicts. Conclusion. In conclusion, war robots have become an integral part of modern warfare, providing new capabilities and reducing the risks faced by human soldiers on the battlefield. These advanced machines have revolutionized military operations, enabling enhanced reconnaissance, combat, logistics, bomb disposal, and medical support. While war robots offer numerous advantages, ethical and legal concerns must be addressed to ensure their responsible and ethical use in armed conflicts. Would you like it? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channels for more interesting and informative videos.